Justice versus oppression. What is the foundation of lasting nation? It is justice. Without justice, power becomes tyranny. Without fairness, wealth becomes corruption. Without equality, unity becomes division. Oppression may silence voices, but it cannot silence the truth. History shows History shows us empires ruled by oppression always crumble, not because of foreign enemies, but because injustice rotted them from within. Justice uplifts, oppression destroys, and only nations that stand on justice can hope to stand forever. This is it.